ever tried learning a new skill, like juggling, only to find that you start dropping the balls you could already toss with ease? Suddenly, you're better at the new trick, but can't remember the basics. Believe it or not, even brilliant machines, AIs, struggle with this too. In today's video, we're going to solve the mystery of why AIs forget what they've learned the moment you teach them something new. You'll get a light bulb moment about how fragile machine memory can be and why AIs, for all their smarts, have an elephant-sized memory problem. Let's set the stage. Imagine you're a chef who spent weeks perfecting the world's best chocolate cake. Your friends are raving. It's delicious. One day, you decide to branch out and learn how to make croissants. So you completely focus on French pastries. Months pass, and now if someone asks you for that chocolate cake, you can hardly remember the recipe. That's frustrating, right? Well, AI feels your pain, only amplify it 1,000 times. In the world of artificial intelligence, this is called the fading memory problem. But don't worry, you don't need the jargon. Think of an AI as a robot chef in a kitchen. Each time you train it on a new recipe or a new dataset, it happily overwrites its memory banks to remember only the latest thing. Sure, it's amazing at croissants now, but ask about that perfect chocolate cake, poof, it's gone. Let's put this into context. Say you build a smart robot that recognizes animals. You show it thousands of pictures of cats and dogs, and it gets really good at telling them apart. Now you want it to recognize birds too, so you feed it tons of bird pictures. What happens? Suddenly, it can spot a robin or parrot, but the next time you give it a photo of a Labrador, it's stumped. It forgot dogs altogether. Here's another real-world analogy. Imagine writing your shopping list on a chalkboard. If you need something new, you erase some of the old. Before you know it, milk and bread are gone, and now it's only avocados and ice cream. Unless you find a clever way to fit all your lists together, something gets left behind. Why does this happen in AI? The answer lies in how AI models learn. When you first train the AI, it adjusts internal knobs. Lots and lots of them, to do one job really well. But when you ask it to do a different job, it turns those knobs again to suit the new task. No one told it to save the old settings, so that precious chocolate cake or those Labrador photos become distant memories. This is what scientists call catastrophic forgetting. But let's not dwell on the catastrophe. Let's bring this into an everyday story. Have you ever changed all your phone settings for a trip overseas? Then returned and realized you couldn't remember your home Wi-Fi password? That's the AI's pain multiplied. Now, why does this matter? Because in the real world, AIs need to learn lots of things, just like we do. Imagine your phone's voice assistant. First, it learns to recognize you. Then, it learns new slang words. Without a good memory, it risks forgetting how to recognize your voice every time you teach it something new. But don't worry, this is not a lost cause.